JavaScript in HTML and CSS, and there will be no CSS. In an HTML form, a user will be giving his name, and based on that name value, the output would be, on clicking a submit button, his initial name. So if his name is Ramkumar Das, it would be printed as r.k.das, or if his name is Shamol Kumar Mondol, it would be s.k.mondol. So I'll be writing the program from scratch. So to make this program, I'll be naming this as initial name, naming the file as initial name.html. Now let me generate a boilerplate code. After writing exclamatory marks, then press enter. So boilerplate code has been created. So it would have nothing, simply our input type. It would be of text type, and I will be giving it an ID. Input type text ID. Maybe ID is user input, and the placeholder would be, please enter your full name. Fine, that's the input, and there will be a couple of BR, means break. Then we press Ctrl C, Ctrl V, fine, and there will be a submit button. So input type would be input type, not input type. Okay, input type would be submit, and its value would be click to generate. There will be a couple of BRs, and there will be a empty span tag, and its ID would be output. Inside this span tag, the output value would be populated. So let me save the file and see how the HTML looks at first. Open with live server. Maybe we can change it, click to generate, or we can change a bit. So how can I change? I can make it a center align. So simply what I will be doing is that I will be giving here a center tag, and it would end here. Fine. Let me save the file, and it's center align. Fine. Now let me write the script. Let me generate the JavaScript for this particular file script. So first of all, we need to declare a function. So function split space, maybe split space, and it would take sentence as an argument, as an parameter. And what it would do is that it would take var, or maybe constant, whose value would be changing, constant words, and thus these words would be equal to sentence dot split based on spaces. Fine. Now let me declare another function which would be called on click. So this is my button. On click, it would call driver. Driver is a function. So on click, it would call driver. Fine. So let me give the body to the driver, function driver. So this driver would be, first of all, I need to declare a variable, constant input user, and it would get document dot get element by ID. So the ID of my placeholder for the input box is user input. So user input, I will be taking its value. Fine. So user input dot value. Fine. Now what I need to do is that I need to declare another constant. Not maybe constant. This will be a variable, and it will be result, and it will be declared with a space. Nothing is in the result. So I need to split first of all, and need to save it inside a variable. So I'll be saving the variable words equals to split space, and it would be sending this input user to. So within words I am having an array. So for var or maybe let I equals to 0, and it would run till words dot length and one character before it I plus plus. What it doing is that there will be no page transition. It has been filled up by auto filling. So it will do is that result plus equals to, it would take these words of I and it's char at 0th position, char at 0. After taking this one char at 0, it will be concatenating with a dot. There will be a space after that, and finally result plus equals to the result which I had earlier. So result plus equals to words, and it will be words dot length. The final character would be length. The final is -1, so that's the final word. I will be taking its char at 0, and I will be making it to uppercase. So dot to uppercase, fine, and I will be concatenating with the rest of the word. So I will be again taking this one, words dot length minus this one, Control C, Control V, and then slice from the first position till the end. So 1 means from the first 0th position, 0 is the first. If it's Ramkumar Das, it would be taking D. So D is being taken. So D is within this function. Words dot length char at 0 means D. Dot to uppercase means D to uppercase, and the rest of the dash AS. So AS is slice 1. So from A to S, and this will be printed inside this particular output. So output, okay, so document dot get element by id, document dot get element by id. Maybe I will be taking output dot inner HTML, and it will be something like strong, and plus it would be result, and then it would let me close the tag, strong, fine. So document, okay, and this is not only char at 0, and it will be changing to uppercase. That is also a function. Let me save the file and run this file. Let's see what comes in the Explorer. Okay, so I'll be giving Ramkumar Das, click to generate. Nothing is showing up. So what is the problem? Let me go to inspect and let me view the console. Cannot read, reading length. Okay, so length is not readable. So length is not readable. Fine. So words dot length -1, input user var result. Okay, input user. Okay, so I did a bit constant words. Okay, split space based on words. Okay, constant words equal to no. This would return the sentence dot. Okay, so this will be something like return sentence dot split, and it will be stored within this input user. So input, constant input result. Okay, words split space. Now let's see what's the output of the program. So I'll be giving Ramkumar Das and to click to generate RK Das. It's working fine. I'll be giving Shamol Kumar Mondol, click to generate SK Mondol. So this is how so return. So whatever it is based on this space function, it is saving within this constant words, and then it is taking each the character 0 and not I mean, so words, it is an array, so it is from 0 then 1 except the last word. So whatever I am doing with the last word is that I am taking its char at 0, converting it to uppercase, and then concatenating with the rest of the program, rest of the word. So this is a small JavaScript project, and I'll be giving in the comments in the about of the video. I'll be posting the link to the driver code for this particular program. Hope you have liked it, and do give some comment, throw some likes, and do comment how you liked it and apply it on your own. This is a mini project. So that's all for it now. Happy coding, guys.